Good day, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. So in this video, we are going to be talking about so many things. I'll show you how to set your pending orders, how to take market execution, how to set your entry level, take profit level, stop loss level. Then I'll be showing you how to break even and how to take partials, even how to close trades. So let's first start with the MT5 interface. Let's open the MT5 app. Now when you check your Play Store, just type MT5. There are two different apps someone can use. Someone can use MT5 app and someone can use the MT4 app that is right here. But then I use MT5. So you just install it. I've already installed mine, so I'll just open it. I think it's 15 MB or so, I can't remember. Now what I have here is a demo account. This is a demo account. So when you open your MT5, this is the first thing you see a demo account. But just that I've already entered some trades. It has been a while, like when I mean a while, since like 2 weeks ago or so, that I just entered it like that because I wanted to use it for explanation for this video. So now if you want to if you want to create the live account, as usual you first create the live account from Xnest. It's Xnest you use to create your live account. Then after that, you now click on this top left corner that is showing 3 columns. Then click on manage account. Now in that manage account, that's where you now input your details. You just type on Xnest Limited or so, Xnest Technologies. Then you now put in your server, your logins and so on. Then in this bottom side you see quotes. This is where you add the pair. So let me first delete every other one. So let's say you want to add a pair now. You just click on this plus sign in the top right corner that is showing add. You click on it and you type gbpjpy. Let's say you want to add gbpjpy. You click on that. Then let's say you want to add euro usd. You type euro usd and to add aud usd. You type aud usd, then you add it. Which other one? We have the usd jpy. So you can use it to search on any pair you are trading and you add it. Then what do you have in the bottom side? Reversing the quote. Now let's go to the charts. Now this is the chart. It's just like the same chart on trading view. The only thing is that it doesn't function like the trading view. Now in the top left corner that is showing the XAU USD, you can change it. Click on it, you see the other pairs are trading. So let's change it to GBP USD. Then that's what you have here. And then the next thing is the, yeah, you can check every other one. Next thing is this pointer that is showing, hey, I've already moved it to. Let's see if I can add it back. Okay, so this point here is the pointer, and the pointer is just, when you click on it, just use to select. It's just that I've already changed my own to black. I don't use it. So if you check, if you see very well, you see that there's a crosshair that is showing. So that's just what it is. Then I'm just showing the important ones you need, the important ones. Then we have the time frame. This part is showing H4 right here. You use it to change time frame. Now you can see different time frames. You can see 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Notice that the 3 minutes time frame is not here. Then the next thing, you can tap on the screen, like tap on the screen of chart. That's all. You can also use that one to change your time frame. Then if you want to change the format, because the normal format is showing green and white and green and red, it's green and red. So if you want to change it, just tap on the screen, you click on settings, then colors. That's where you can now edit any other thing you want to edit. So which other one do we have? Okay, Okay, so those are the important ones. Now let's go to the trading aspect. If you want to enter a trade, what do you do? See this top right corner, click on it. Then you now see instant execution. This is the first thing you see, instant execution. So you click on this. If you want to change the pair you want to trade, click on the top right corner, then change it to any other one. Let's say you want to trade Euro USD, for example. Then let's open Euro USD. Let's try and analyze Euro USD. Okay, let me just go to the 5 minutes time frame. I'm not really analyzing, I just want to give a rough example. So let's say you wanted to enter the trade. Let's say no, we've not yet analyzed it. You're seeing a break of structure here, and you want to mark out your zone, and you're not seeing price is already within your zone. Now when price is already within your zone and you've already calculated your risk, after you've calculated your risk, that's when you enter the trade. In the next video, I'm going to talk about risk calculation, how to calculate your risk and all that. So let's say you are trading with 0.03 lot size, then you just enter. Since they sell, you just click on the sell, then you're doing the trade. That is it. Then if you now want to set your stop loss and entry, I think you already know how to do that. Your entry, your stop loss will be above the zone. Let's say this is your stop loss there. So you look at the right hand side, it is showing, let's use this tool. It is showing 1.09147. That's what you input as your stop loss. We now open your MT5. You make sure you put in the exact value. Then put 1.01, what else? 1.09147. Then your TP could be, let's say 1.0860, 1.086, and you modify. That's all. You didn't trade. So now let's say you want to close a trade. For instance, you hold on to the trade, you see close position, modify position, you click on close position, and that's how to close a trade. Let's say you want to modify, let's say you want to change your stop loss. Now let's say you want to move your stop loss to entry. What I mean is this is the GBP USD. The entry level was at, look at this point here. It means that you entered from here and price is already around this place. Now looking at the right side, let's say you want to move your stop loss to entry. So to secure your profit, no, it's not securing profit, it's just like you are taking the trade risk free. You are not losing anything. I'll give an instance. Okay, let's say you wanted to, okay, let me move this. Let's say for instance price book structure, and you want to enter the trade from this point. Yeah, then price now tap into the zone. You're doing profit. You wait for it to break this previous low. Once price breaks the previous low, that's when you now move your entry to stop loss, and your stop loss to entry. Sorry, what I mean is this: if your stop loss is there, you just bring it down to your entry level. So the part where you put your stop loss, probably your stop loss was at, let's see this point. Let me give an instance. Probably your stop loss was at this point here. Your stop loss was at this point here, and you want to move it. So just move it to, just drag it up to your entry level. Drag it up to your entry level. Then you modify. This is actually a new way of modifying your trade, because it wasn't like this before. How I used to do was that I'll literally open, I'll go to this point here, click on modify, then I'll input my entry level. What I used to enter, I'll input. That's just it. So that's how to break even. When I say break even on the group, what I mean is I should move your stop loss to entry, then you modify it. So my entry level is 1.25641. That's what I'll put as my stop loss. Yeah, that is it, and that's all. Then the next thing is taking partials. Okay, let's first close this trade. Close position. Now you've closed that trade. Let's say you want to take partials now. You click on close position. Then you now move the lot size you want to exit. If you click on close position now, you are closing the entire trade with $5k. Then if you now want to reduce if you want to take partials, you select the amount you want to reduce. If you notice, as I'm reducing it now, the close the profit is already reducing. It's reducing with one lot size, so it's reducing. You see, if you want to increase it, is the profit I'll exit with is increasing, then like this is reducing. So I can reduce it to probably 1.9, or let's say 2 lot size. So it means I want to exit 2 lot size from this trade. Then when I click on it, you see it has been reduced. It's not got 5 lot size, it's already showing 3 lot size. Then the price too has reduced. Then if you want to now look at your history, just click on the history. You'll be able to see all your trades you've taken. Then yeah, you can click on last week, click on last month, everything will be showing here. This is everything. So now which other one do we need to talk about? Okay, the buy limit and the sell limit. It's actually, it's still based on what we've always talked about, but then let me show you on the chart. Let's say for instance you want to take a buy from this zone. Stop loss is there, take profit is there. So what you have here is what you input on your MT5. So you open your MT5, GBPUSD, you select buy limit. Now there's buy limit, sell limit. The one for the buy limit is that, okay, let's start with the buy limit. The one for the buy limit is that, let's say you have a zone here, I wait for price to tap into the zone and buy up. That is the buy limit. For the sell limit, you wait for price to tap into your zone, then sell down. Then we have the buy stop and sell stop. The one for buy stop and sell stop is that, let's say you've already drawn out a line now, for instance. So once price touches it, it will start to sell. Like let's say price is coming down. Once price touches it, it will start to sell automatically. But then we are not looking at the buy stop and sell. So the main things we are looking at is inside execution, buy limit and sell limit. So for this buy limit, you just input it. The entry is 1.26703. That's what, after you've calculated your risk and all that, you input it in this price point. Then for your stop loss is below it. you input it, which is 1.26324. You write it here. Then your take profit is 1.28443, and that's what you write here. So that is basically the MT5 interface.